The catalog within Qlik Catalog is an interactive marketplace dashboard that provides immediate insight and actions on entities across your data ecosystem. Here you can see all the data entities that are part of the catalog. Every tile represents a different entity or table of data. These entities were either onboarded into the catalog from an enterprise data source or created directly through Qlik Catalog data preparation jobs. You can filter by data set, tag, source, or keyword to locate what you need. In this case, we're looking for data related to global sales. Now we're looking at just those entities associated with this keyword, global. As you load, work with, and explore data, it collects and creates a rich layer of metadata that describes each entity, which is used in various operations and modules. This makes the data easier to find, understand, trust, and use. For example, this entity, named Global Sales 2017, was last loaded from the Global Sales Data Source system on January 11th, with 237 rows of data and 28 fields of information. You can see that 3 KPI performance scores derived from metadata describe this entity in terms of operational, data quality, and popularity measures. These KPIs help the user understand if the data is meeting its business objectives, is at risk, or needs attention, or if it's not being used at all, just to name a few. The global sales entity for 2017 has some decent scores. It shows a moderate degree of popularity and quality. Let's take a closer look. Now we can see more about this data. We can see a business name and description and tags, which were added to the data either by a person, like a data governance expert. There are 28 fields of data for each record in this table, and we can see several statistical profile values describing each field. You can also look at the distribution of values for each field, or you can look at sample data. This entity contains detailed order data that we're going to need for our project. Let's put it in our cart. Now let's add sales data for the other 2 years in our cart. Once you've selected one or more entities, there are a few things you can do with them. You can make them into a new data set, or add them to an existing data set. You can explore the data or publish it, or you can use it as input to a data preparation job. That's what we're going to do next.